601 standard version, aluminum alloy pressure reducing valve, 304 stainless steel cylinder. It is suitable for small and medium tank, economical and practical. 601 strengthened version, 304 stainless steel pressure reducing valve and cylinder, stable and durable. Most suitable for professional small and medium tank player. Last, let's take a look at 701 strengthened and thickened double version. Its pressure relief valve body is made of 304 stainless steel. Cylinder is made of special thickened 304 stainless steel. It can react double raw materials at one time. Compared with the previous two versions, the gas volume is doubled. Gas can be used longer, more suitable for medium and big tank. When we add CO2 gas into aquarium tank, bubble counter is needed to open or shut and adjust gas volume. There are two types of bubble counter, manual version, solenoid version. Manual bubble counter is suitable for 24 hours gas supplying, or open, shut every day. Solenoid bubble counter is more convenient. Coordinate with timer to open, shut automatically. Two-way splitter can be used for two small tanks. Two types of bubble counter can be purchased or replaced according to your future using request. Press the collar. Pull. Insert.